What up, guys? It's Jimmy Fitzpatrick here, back with Barn Vehicle Deals. We have a Butte. It's supposedly a 1950 trike made from Play Kids in Germany. I mean, I might have messed up the brand name. It's, some weird name. Not the best with it. However, these things retail for a lot of money. So, I think we're going to go for a pretty good deal here. We need to be careful, though. I heard the seller's a little bit psycho, so I have a taser just in case. I also have my cameraman. He's always strapped. Don't know why. But, we're hoping we can find a good deal here. And, yeah, let's jump right to it. We just pulled in. So, tell me about this thing.
It's a real Butte. All reliable. I went up Mount Everest in this thing.
Oh, wow. That's impressive, dude. How many miles is this?
As many as you want to drive. I don't know. It's really up to you.
That's not how miles on a vehicle work.
Look, it can go as many miles as you want it to, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I take it for a test drive at least?
Fine, I guess.
Oh, sweet. All things considered, it drives real good. I think it's a solid investment.
Yeah, I know, right? You can even get it up to 1 horsepower if you tie a horse to it.
Huh. Yeah, thing's a Butte. What was the price we agreed on? Was it 70 or 80 grand?
100 more so.
Oh.
It's been through a lot, just thinking about all the memories.
I think you have a deal.
Yeah!
Yeah, pleasure doing. All right, and as promised, here's the money.
Yeah.
That, folks, is how we make a good deal on a nice
sucker!
What the fuck?